Today, what you are witnessing is the components of our work at CREDICORP that has to do with enabling local industry by channeling credit-backed consumers, meaning channeling Nigerians that have received consumer credits from CREDICORP to buy locally manufactured, locally assembled goods and services.
The project is called Project S.C.A.L.E, where through credits we enable hundreds of thousands of Nigerians to buy locally made goods and services along 5 key sectors. Today you're witnessing the start of the wave of beneficiaries from the mobility segment with Simba Group, which produces locally over 1,100 kekes, motorbikes daily in Nigeria and employs over 800 of our citizens.
Today is not just about handing over the keys to our vehicles. It's about unlocking potential, igniting dreams, and driving a change.
Thank you for CREDICORP. Now my life will be better. I'll feed my family now.